Hello children, I welcome you again to our English class. In this video, we will learn a very simple beautiful poem of class 6 from your book Honeysuckle. The name of the poem is Beauty. It is written by E.A. Shore. Before getting into the poem, let's know something about the poet. The poet of this particular poem is E.A. Shore. E.A. Shore was born on 9 September 1926 in New Mexico, United States. She died on 21st July 2014 at the age of 87. She was a poet, author, and educator. She was known for her book I'm a Pueblo Indian Girl. She was enrolled member of Isleta Pueblo. Anyway, before going into the detailed explanation of the poem, let me ask you one question. Tell me, what do you mean by beauty? What do you mean by beauty? The word beauty literally means a combination of qualities such as shape, color, or form that pleases the aesthetic senses, especially the sight. For example, beautiful picture, beautiful girl. Okay? We can define beauty as the quality or aggregate of qualities in a person or thing that gives pleasure to the senses or pleasurably exalts the mind or spirit. Have you heard the proverb, beauty is in the eye of the beholder? What does it mean? It means that which one person finds beautiful or admirable may not appeal to another. Okay? It means beauty doesn't exist on its own but is created by observer. It is the attitude of a person. Anyway, in this simple poem, beauty has been defined. Here the poet says that real beauty is natural beauty. The beauty is there in everything. Okay? Anyway, let me read the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. In this stanza, poet says that beauty is everywhere. It can be seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, the growing crops, people who dance to show their happiness when their crops are ready. What's the meaning of the corn? Corn means the chief cereal crop of wheat, oats, maize, barley, etc. Harvest means the time of the year when the crop is ready. Okay, so here the poet says that beauty can be seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, the growing crops, and people who dance to show their happiness when their crops are ready. Okay, let's move on to the next stanza. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. The word sighing means sound of a deep, loud breath or exhale taken in relief. Chanting means singing. In this stanza, poet says that beauty is a thing to be felt. It can be heard means one can listen to it. Like one can hear its sounds when night falls, when the wind blows and creates a sound, when rain falls on the earth, when a singer sings. One can even feel it in sincere and honest conviction of a person. We can see or we can hear beauty everywhere. Okay. See the last stanza of the poem. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Here deeds means acts. Repeat, to happen again and again. Beauty is not always external or visible. It is within. It can be abstract also. One's views, good acts, one's wishes, which one even imagines in dreams. Beauty can be one way of work or even the style of taking rest. Thus, beauty is very vast. It cannot be confined to one thing. Rather, it is there in everything. We just need eyes and a heart to see it. Okay, this is a very simple poem. To sum up the poem, the poet is trying to say in this poem that beauty is in everything. All the small things we do or the environment around us. Everything has beauty in it. Everything has its own importance. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. Sunlight has its own beauty. Beauty can be seen in the growing corns, people who are working and dancing for getting good harvest. Beauty is not only seen but can also be heard or felt. For instance, when night falls, wind blows slowly, the sound of rainfall, or when a singer sings, they all give pleasure to the mind and make it feel happy. Beauty is not just outside, it is within. Beauty is in the self. Our good deeds, happy thoughts please everyone are all beautiful. Our dreams are also beautiful as they give us reason to advance and work with zeal. Beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest and sleep. Beauty is everywhere. It is in the attitude, the way we look at things. Actually, everything is beautiful in its own uniqueness. Okay, let me recite the poem once more. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working and dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So, my dear children, all of you are very beautiful. However, beauty is more than what you see. It's not just how you look on the outside, but who you are on the inside is what determines the true beauty. Be your own kind of beautiful, because beauty is power. Your outer beauty will capture the eyes. Your inner beauty will capture the heart. Okay. Everything has its beauty, but not everyone sees it. To be beautiful means to be yourself. Okay? So, be yourself. Hope you have enjoyed the poem. Then learn the poem by heart. See you in the next class. Thank you.